Hi, my name's Jared Shelley from Autofidelity, and today we're going to have a look at this beautiful example of a Mercedes-benz, the GT. We've just retrofitted the DR900 dash camera. We've chosen the dual channel system for this vehicle, so camera at the front, camera at the back. Whenever we do an installation, we run our cabling with the factory harness, so you don't see any cables hanging around. We're in through the original grommets of the vehicle. We also integrate our power into the original fuse box, so we don't tap onto pre-existing circuits and cause warranty issues or anything of that nature. Now we tuck the camera up in behind the rear vision mirror, so from the driver's perspective, it's really not noticeable. Same with the rear camera, that's tucked right up out of the way, so when we're looking in that mirror, we barely see that at all. Once again, my name's Jared Shelley from Autofidelity. Thank you for watching.